wanted to stop by for a minute and thank all the people who put together marathonflorida.com classified section, because I just came back from selling my birdcage. Put my birdcage on there, it didn't cost me anything. Let it sit, waited, got a phone call. It was a local person, never would have met her if I hadn't. She saw the picture of the cage, she needed a bird cage. By the way, my bird's still okay. I just had 2 cages and I'm downsizing, so it found a good home. It worked. So glad marathonflorida.com is around. I'm just thrilled. And I want you to know that too, for what you have around the house that you don't need. I'm so happy that I'm going to downsize what I drive too. And look for 2006 Ford F-250 Super Duty Diesel, because I'm going to go smaller and you're going to get a great truck. Have a good day. I got to go spend my $40.